Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche Panamera 4S. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see a small chip right here. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. Fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curve rails. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curve rails. Let's move on to the back of the car. Back here, the back bumper and trunk are in excellent condition, and the spoiler looks fine, no scratches at all back here. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curve rails. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. Starting with the driver's seat. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks good as well. Now let's take a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Now we're going to take a look at the steering wheel. The interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.